Welcome to SOFIC TV. I'm Sarah Solomon. Joining me now is Colonel Col Obergfell, USSOCOM's Director of Procurement. SOFIC is always such a well-attended conference, even virtually. So what are you hoping to learn from industry during this conference?
Hey, thanks for asking that question. So this year at SOFIC, our contracting team's looking at doing something a little bit different. So if you're familiar with past SOFICs, what we've done in the past is look at talking about Section L&M of our contracts that we solicit for every year. And we get feedback from industry about our Section L&M, and then we have contracting officers talk directly to industry partners. This year, what we're trying to do is a reverse industry day. And what do we want to get from that? We want to get the best practices or different thoughts from current partners that we deal business with and other partners on how we can improve speed and agility and innovation in our processes in AT&L.
What innovative ideas does the SOCOM procurement team want to implement this year?
Well, hey, thanks. Another great question. So, innovative ideas that we've been working on include our commercial solution opening. We've done a lot of other transactions agreements and those type of things. But really what we want to focus on is the job to be done. So every task, every year we get different requirements that come in. This year we'll have several big source selections, and we're trying to do a better job forecasting those. So if you're an industry partner listening to this, I know you'd be interested in that. But I can tell you that we really take two different approaches to innovation. I tried to come in with a deliberate innovation strategy on procurement, and I realized that each year there was different jobs to be done, and an emergent innovation strategy came. So I can give an example of what we did over the last 2 years. We've really worked on, for our major weapon system acquisition, is white paper down select to a prototyping to a production type contract. And we found that's sort of a niche for us to really drive innovation and speed into our processes. We've also done some commercial solution opening type efforts. We've done several of them for hyper-enabled operator, and then we've also done several of them for our soft digital application teammates. So those have been a commercial solution opening. We would come out with, hey, we're looking for certain commercial solutions in this area. We would do white paper down selects and then go through a contracting process as well there. So those are two areas that we've really been focused on over the last couple of years. And again, as we look to 22 and beyond, we'll be looking for what is the job to be done and what's the right contracting vehicle or agreement vehicle to solve that problem.
What specific aspects of SOFIC do you look forward to each year?
I always look forward to SOFIC in general, but with the new format of virtual SOFIC, I really look forward to the part where we're able to listen to each PEO talk, PEO director. So when we're at the convention center, I really love getting to be out with the people and visit the floor to meet the vendors and see the hardware that they're delivering. But with the virtual SOFIC, we were able to actually, where it's recorded, as well as separated by time, we're actually able to see each PEO and director brief. So really enjoy that part. Look forward to, though, in the future where we can all get back together and talk at SOFIC face-to-face.
Well, we certainly hope you're enjoying this conference. And for all of you out there, we'll see you on the next edition of SOFIC TV.